What is up, YouTube? This is your boy. We're not on the ground today. We're on a SV650 and we're going on a little rain ride. So hell yeah. Hopefully it doesn't fuck up my lens that bad. But well, raindrop can screw up your video quality. Yep. It can take it out of focus. Yep. Yep, that's horn. Found my horn. Yeah. It's just like sprinkling. It's not like downpour or even a drizzle. It's like just a light sprinkle. Yee. Hopefully my battery doesn't like... Yeah. Yeah, well, you shouldn't have done that. Yeah. No, they haven't. Nah. Well, the only reason why they're out so much is because, you know, the riots and stuff. So if a riot starts, they can respond to it right away. Yeah, it's one cop on the... Shouldn't be speeding in the rain, but... I think this is like my first bike ride to the bonfire. Yeah. No, you rode your bike a few times. Yeah. Yeah, you have. Because you wanted to show it off. Oh man, it's just another gorgeous day out today. We're gonna make a left right here. So we're going on a little nice bonfire meet with some friends, with the homies. So get to hang out there for a little bit. It is currently 8 o'clock or 8:30 right now, so we're gonna be rocking that. Bottom those shocks out. Well, it felt like it anyways. Hopefully my camera is nice and angled upwards for you guys to get a better view of the road. Been trying my best to get a better footage like that. Hopefully I don't get like corruption or errors with my footage. So that would be pretty nice. I'd like to upload tonight. So wanted to do a lot more bike riding, but it seemed like the weather was pretty poop today. It looked like it cleared up just enough to get out to go do this bonfire meet. So yeah, we got that going. Look at that 954. Such a classic bike. Yeah, so pretty much when we start getting closer to his place, if it's gonna have 60 people, we're gonna know it's his house, because there's not gonna be a single lick of parking. Yeah, that's why I looked at the weather real quick. I'm like, you know what, let's just take the bikes. It's cheaper on gas and whatnot. Yeah. Ow. People hitting their brakes. A little chilly though. Don't you think? A little chilly. Yeah. Why? Definitely doing 47. What's your saying? Yeah, I'm 46 right now. It's nice to be on a little fast bike instead of the 125. Yeah, I can feel my engine heat. It's warming my foot up. Yeah. Yeah. I think I see a cop to your right in that lot. It's an Explorer. It's at the old gas station. Yep, we bought a pack of cigarettes there once. Misshift. Yep, there it is. I think we should be coming up to his house very shortly. I think there's a cop behind us. I think there's a cop behind us. Yeah, I see very bright lights, and it's a black car. Speeding, but I don't know. It's for yeah. Yeah, well, his house is coming up. It's gonna. I see a bunch of cars outside, so. So just start slowing down. Looks like it.